Adding a field in Looker Studio involves creating custom calculations or incorporating additional data fields into your reports. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Open your report, log in, go to datastudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Select a report, open an existing report or create a new one. Access data source, edit data source. Click on the Resource tab in the top menu. Select Manage Edit Data Sources. Choose data source, find the data source you want to modify and click Edit. Add the field, create new field. In the data source editor, click Add the field. This opens the field creation panel. Define field, field name, enter a name for your new field. Formula, enter the formula for the calculation. You can use built-in functions and operators to define the field's value. For example, to calculate revenue, you might use price times quantity. Field type, choose the appropriate data type. Save field, click Save to add the field to your data source. Use the new field. Update report, go back to your report and the new field will be available in the data source. Drag and drop this field into charts or tables to include it in your visualizations.